Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by installing and enabling Read and Write in Chrome. Add the extension, sign in with your Google or school account, and accept permissions so it can access Pages and Drive. Once done, pin the extension to the toolbar so it's always visible. You need this immediate access to use the toolbar tools on any web page or Google Doc. Make sure you're on the right account to preserve settings and licenses before moving forward to tool configuration and voice selection. You'll now configure the core tools. Open the Read and Write toolbar and choose a natural voice and comfortable speech rate for text-to-speech, because clarity matters. Then customize highlighter colors, vocabulary lists, and the picture dictionary to match your tasks. Make sure PDF and Google Docs converters are enabled so annotation and read-aloud work across formats. Finally, assign keyboard shortcuts for common actions so you can work faster. This reduces mouse trips and improves focus when reading or writing. You'll finish by using the toolbar. Select text to read aloud, highlight for study, or open the picture dictionary for definitions. Press the speech button to play. Save your vocabulary lists and export annotations to Google Drive so nothing is lost. If something breaks, first check audio output and system volume, then update or reload the extension and restart Chrome. This resolves most issues. If licensing or sign-in fails, switch to the correct account and reauthorize the extension before retrying your workflow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.